Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you how to make English spurs. Now, spurs are for signaling the horse. They're not for abuse, and a responsible rider understands that. So this is just because some horses aren't as sensitive to squeeze, so you can kind of do a little poke and they respond better. That's what it's for, all right? These are not for abuse. All right, English. Now these aren't the greatest boots, but this is what the classic scale doll. So if I'm going to make some for her, I need wire, and these are one of those pin type, you find in the jewelry section. So it's got that flat on it, and I'm going to go ahead and I'll cut that flat off, and then I'll bend this in half. So, and then the very end, I'm going to squeeze that as tightly together to make that look like one little nub right there, okay? And then determine how big a nub you need for that part of the stirrup, and then you're going to open these up. Okay. So there's the beginnings of your stirrup. And now that they're open, we're going to go ahead again and squeeze them. Now the next thing we need to do is figure out the curve. Now they're going to go down here. That's where they go. Nice little indent there. So awesome. That's going to be our curve. Okay. And then entirely sure. I mean, that should work. And you can always adjust as you go. You just don't have to, you know, it's not always 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then right here, right where the heel is, and that's important because you really want it a little bit behind the heel. We're going to go ahead and turn that down, and then I want to turn this around. It's so much harder when I'm trying to show people how to do it. Turn around, and then same thing, just kind of right behind the boot, right? So I think these are both turned down about the same amount. Then I love these. You see, these are my skinny fingers, but what they're really supposed to do is create a round. So I'm going to hold it, and then I'll pull this around. Okay. I'm going to try and get them about the same, so I was almost right to there. So really close. So I'll work that just a little bit more until I'm happy with it. Because there's always one side that has to misbehave. We know that, right? You've done tack enough now to know that. Okay. There we go. That's pretty much our spur. And now, okay, so now I'm going to take some 1/16 inch leather lace that I've skived. Now you could use 3/32, obviously, if it's easier for you to work with. And what I need to measure is basically just around the boot there with a little extra. So whatever that is, her boots are a little different than traditional, so who knows. And then, okay, I gotta go down and then up. And I prefer these loops on the top of the boot. Okay. And that goes under the heel, right under there. Right in there. And then this wicked little stirrup will buckle over the top. There you go. And then just do that one more time. And these are what they look like traditional scale. These are the first ones I made. Pretty simple. And works really good for my dressage doll here. There you go. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends about this crazy channel, and have yourself a really good day.